Welcome back to Gyan Darshan tutorial page. Let us discuss the theoretical points in trial balance in accountancy. Here, what is written here? Trial balance may be defined as a statement which contains balances of all ledger accounts on a particular date. That means कि trial balance is prepared at the end of a month or at the end of a quarter or at the end of 6 months or at the end of the financial year. For any organization, those are involved in some kind of economic activities, they have made certain accounts, and all those accounts have ledger balances. The balances of all those ledger are put in a statement form called trial balance. It is only a statement. The accounts with debit balances and the accounts with credit balances are shown here. The accounts with debit balances are shown on the debit side, the accounts with credit balances are shown on the credit side, and at the end, the two side matches. नीचे यहाँ क्या लिख रहा है कि ट्रायल बैलेंस कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ डेबिट कॉलम विथ ऑल डेबिट बैलेंसेस ऑफ अकाउंट्स एंड क्रेडिट कॉलम विथ ऑल क्रेडिट बैलेंसेस ऑफ अकाउंट्स. द टोटल ऑफ दीज कॉलम्स इफ टैली, इट इज प्रिज्यूम्ड that ledger has been maintained correctly. However, trial balance proves only the arithmetical accuracy of posting in the ledger. Yes, there may be error of principle, there may be duplicate errors, there may be compensating errors. But if there is no arithmetical errors of compensating nature, then the trial balance will agree, even though there are so many mistakes. Now, what are the objectives of preparing a trial balance? The first objective is to check the arithmetical accuracy. Arithmetical accuracy in ledger posting means writing correct amount in the correct account and on its correct side while posting transactions from various original books of accounts such as cash book, purchases book, sales book, etc. It also not only it also means not only the correct balances of ledger accounts but also the totals of the special purpose books. मतलब कि अर्थमेटिक एक्यूरेसी इस तरह से चेक होती है कि जो ट्रांजैक्शन जिस अकाउंट से रिलेटेड होता है उसी अकाउंट में उस अकाउंट के सही साइड में सही फिगर से अगर हम लिखे हैं, इस तरह से कोई मैथमेटिकल मिस्टेक्स नहीं किए, फिर उसका टोटलिंग में भी कोई फॉल्ट नहीं किए हैं, तो मैथमेटिकली वो सही होगा और जो जाकर ट्रायल बैलेंस को भी मैचिंग करा देगा. तो ये अर्थमेटिकल एक्यूरेसी चेक करने के लिए ट्रायल बैलेंस को बनाते हैं. To help in preparing financial statements, what happens at the end of the year? All the concerns involved in economic activities and are doing economic transactions on a large scale, they have to prepare certain statements, some statements. If you are profit seeking concerns, then you have to maintain final accounts in like trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. If you are a non-trading concerns, if you are non-profit seeking concerns, then you have to maintain income receipt and payment account, income expenditure account and balance sheet. तो वो जो फाइनल अकाउंट्स फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट साल के एंड में बनाते हैं इनकम स्टेटमेंट और बैलेंस शीट के रूप में, वो बनाने में ट्रायल बैलेंस हेल्प करता है. देखिए यहाँ क्या लिखा हुआ है. द अल्टीमेट ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इज टू प्रिपेयर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट दैट इज ट्रेडिंग एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस शीट ऑफ ए बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज एट द एंड ऑफ एन अकाउंटिंग ईयर. भारत में जो अकाउंटिंग ईयर है दैट इज यूजुअली एंड्स ऑन 31 मार्च एवरी ईयर. जैसे अभी ये जो 2025 का जो 31 मार्च आने वाला है, इन ऑन दिस 31st March 2025, the financial year started from 1st April 2024 will end on 31st March 2025. The financial year will be known as 24-25, and the upcoming financial year is 25-26, that starts from 1st April 2025 and will end on 31st March 2026. So, the ultimate objective of the accounting is to prepare financial statements, that is trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet of a business enterprise at the end of the accounting year. These statements contain balances of various ledger accounts, as trial balance contains balances of all ledger accounts only. In financial statement, the balances of ledger accounts are carried from the trial balance for prepare proper analysis. Okay. Help in locating errors. Yes, trial balance also help us to locate errors. If total of the two columns of the trial balance agrees, it is a proof of arithmetical accuracy in the ledger posting. However, if the totals of the two columns do not tally, it indicates that there is some mistake in the ledger accounts, and there is a topic called rectification of errors. Through this process, those errors are traced out. All these works are done by expert accountant called chartered accountant or cost accountant in manufacturing concerns. They trace out all the errors, and then correcting or rectifying entries are passed. Help in comparison. Uh, what is this? Comparison of ledger accounts balances of one year with the corresponding balances with the previous year help the management taking some important decisions. If you have sales account of फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2023 टू 2024 यानी 2023-24 के पास अगर आपका सेल्स अकाउंट का बैलेंस है, एंड 2024-25 ईयर का अगर सेल्स अकाउंट का बैलेंस ट्रायल बैलेंस में आप देखेंगे, तो यू विल बी एबल टू कंपेयर whether the sale was last year or this year more. And if it is lesser this year, then you have to find out the reason why the sale is lesser in this year. So इस तरह से comparative analysis में आपको ट्रायल बैलेंस हेल्प करते हैं. हेल्प्स इन मेकिंग एडजस्टमेंट्स. while making financial statements, adjustments regarding closing stock, prepaid expenses, outstanding expenses, etc. are to be made. Trial balance helps in identifying the items requiring adjustments in preparing the financial statements. होता क्या है, at the end of the year, when we are ready to prepare final accounts or we are preparing final accounts, there are so many adjustments. Here adjustment means कि there are so many transactions, those are needed to be entered in the books of account to follow the accounting standards, to follow the accounting principles and guidelines, so that we can present the true picture of a concern. So, to pass out all those industries while final account, the trial balance helps us. So trial balance is generally prepared at the end of the year. However, it can be prepared at any time during the accounting year to check the accuracy of the posting. Okay, in this video we have discussed the trial balance meaning, definition. If you have still problem, you can call me